I wouldn't move if I were you. The drugs are still in your system, so. And you're also tied up, so it won't really help anyways. It'll just make your wrists feel bad. How long you been out for? It's probably around 11 hours, 12. I don't remember, but it was yesterday, so. If you have a headache or anything, just tell me and I'll give you some painkillers. Also, water or anything. I also just made food, so I'll give you that. You should eat, so. It should be done in like a minute, so if you just wait, I'll come back and get it. Here we go. So I heard you talking that this was one of your favorite foods, so I hope this will be alright. I'm not the best at making food and I mostly eat frozen food, but I really hope this is okay for you. I really put my soul into this and I hope it will be alright. Please, come on. You need to eat. I know you were out there for so long, and I think the best is that you get some nutrients and other stuff so you can survive. Your body needs food, and how long you were cold outside, it doesn't really make it better, so if I were you, I would just eat. No, like... No? Come on, just eat, Fang. Just... No, come here. I know that you don't want to, but please, just eat the food. There's nothing bad with it. Come on. Yeah. What now? That it's... Are you accusing me of drugging the food? It's not drugs. It's just medicine. It's to help you. That's the... I'm not trying to drug you, I'm trying to help you. No, eat. Eat the food. I'm demanding you. Eat the food. If you don't eat, you only know what will happen to you. I'll break at least one of these fingers if you don't comply. Is that understood? Good. Now let me help you. And it will be alright, okay? Okay, is that enough? If you say so. It's better than nothing, so... You want something to drink? I'll pour up something. Okay, drink up. Okay, good. You look an awful lot at the window. Think about escaping. You can't. The snowstorm is still hard outside anyway, so you wouldn't survive very long, even if you tried. Even if you make it out of here, anyways, you can't go anywhere. It's just best for you to stay. Don't try to do anything funny, so I do have a gun if you think about doing something stupid. It won't really help, so don't do anything wrong. I don't want to hurt you, and I hope you understand that. I truly don't, but if you misbehave like you've done right now, there needs to be some consequences. Even if I want to or not. So I really hope that for now on you try your best. I'll try my best. Okay? And about the snowstorm, I need to go. I have an errand to do. I need to go back to the city. And for the last behavior you have done, I don't trust you at all. So, I have this syringe to use. No. Calm down. It's not something bad. Let's just say that you need some time to cool off. Until I get back. So know that you don't do anything stupid. And on the plus side, you don't need to be bored. You can just take a nap. And I'll come back later. So, if you just... Hey, calm down. Shh, calm down. There we go. Hey. Just calm down now. Everything will be alright. It's just feel yourself drift away. Do something nice. And go to sleep. I'll be right here when you wake up. Don't worry. Sleep tight now.